shop. Today we did our 10.25 inch Android screen, the latest screen with our 12 inch Android headrests for a BMW X5. These are Android headrests with BMW type of menu on them. And they're fully touch. And also that's our latest anti-reflection screen. They come with USB SD card and HDMI input. Right now this is our latest 10.25 inch Android screen with the black trim, anti-reflection, and we are doing wireless CarPlay with our USB dongle. So you can use Google Maps, Waze, or any other apps that you want from CarPlay. And it works perfectly fine with the iDrive knob. I can navigate through CarPlay. And by clicking on car or BMW logo, we can set it to BMW logo. It goes to our ID7 look of the unit. This is our latest dash reader, so we can put it on energy or sport or comfort. By going to car info, it goes to the factory screen. This car didn't come with navigation. It was 6.5 inch screen. And also we add our backup camera, and the sensors are activated. The car came with original front and back sensors with dynamic guidelines. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can order them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can book your appointment by giving us a call at 905-604-4294. We are in Markham, Ontario, in Toronto. So just don't hesitate and give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you and have a great day.
Let's get to work.
Hey, Roman, you freaking out?
No.
Yes, you are.
Should somebody just walk me through what we're supposed to be doing?